made it to our apartment. Well, Echo's already doing stuff she ain't supposed to do. Don't you do it. It's the living room, kitchen, it's our patio. It's quite big. Excited. It's our room. Bathroom. Toilet closet. Shower. And closet. And we got the kitchen. It's the guest bathroom. Got a lot of space in here. And the guest room. And the closet. All right, we're coming along. All our stuff as I go. Oh yeah. Disgusting. And then boxes. So I got a lot done. Put up majority of my clothes. I need to go through everything and see what I'm getting rid of because it's too much. It's too much. And I already think I'm gonna fill up this dresser. So, yeah. So gotta get rid of some stuff. My back is killing me. So probably gonna take a nice bubble bath in a nice tub because I got a tub now. So, but I don't think I got any Epsom salt. Whatever. I just need to do something. Massage it. Oh no, it hurt. Like I've been sitting down in my little chair. So this is gonna get today. Literally got a bunch of stuff still in the bathroom. I guess a dilemma. On the floor because they lost the legs to the bed frame. So now I gotta figure out how to find legs for it, or go to the company that made it. I got from Wayfair, so we'll see. But we have a bed, so I think that's gonna help my back a lot because sleeping on an air mattress hasn't been fun. So see y'all later.